I was thinking that maybe for people with wheelchairs, first of all, you're a person. Just to start with that. But I was thinking, for sometimes when you are getting better on your with your wheelchair and you're getting up and ready every morning, every noon, every in the evening. So if you feel like you need to do more things, and that could be one of those things that you could do, like a hobby, or to help somebody fix something, or in one of those hobbies that are really cool, like coins, or uh, brushing and uh, painting something in your room, or to fix something in your room, or to redo something in your room, or to redo something in your wheelchair. So there's all things that you can do when you're getting better and stronger as a wheelchair user. So this is not about just sitting as a wheelchair user. That's not the best thing. It's to just sit. And for, a caregiver always doing stuff for you, or is this something to help with in the kitchen, that you plan to cook something, or try to cook something, or in the kitchen to clean something, or maybe plan to move furniture around that will be better for you, and see if the caregiver plans to help you to move things around so that you feel better during the house or through the house, to change something. And to put some energy into you when you're getting better, stronger as a wheelchair user. So this is important to, when you're trying to get better with something, or trying to think of something that you want to do, or in the wheelchair is not quite the right wheelchair, and you might talk to the doctor about that this is not the right wheelchair for you, etc., etc. So these are things that you can make better, make it, in things that will give you more energy and more ideas in your life, and not just sit with your, and for the caregiver to do everything for you. So that, I just saw a guy who really asked for different pieces on his wheelchair, because he can't use his hands, can't use his legs. So he's in his wheelchair. That's it. You can't do anything else. But he did ask to get, some equipment to be able to move on his own. So they did put some pieces of equipment, technology for him to move with his cheek or with his tongue. So he would move everything. So he could open doors, close doors. He could turn on the bulbs or different places in the house. So he could do on his own, even though he couldn't move. He could not move, do anything else. So with the technology, helped him to do things, to turn on and close the blinds and all kinds of things. So it was a better life for him. And he did great. He did great. And he has all kinds of ideas and things that he wants to do. So, and this is in UK, I think, and he gets in the train and goes places, and he can move things. And it's awesome. Really, really awesome. He has a gal who just really, really liked him. He thinks about things and that he wants to change or wants to do something. And that is about life as a wheelchair user. So you don't have to just sit and not do anything. So this is a really plan for you to think how you can make things better and stronger. So that is what it is about the World Wheelchair Warriors. That's what it's about, for us to get better every day, that we try and see how it goes. All right, let's see how it goes, and thank you, everyone, and I hope to see you very, very soon.